In this session, we'll see about graph traversal. Graph traversal is a technique that is used for searching a vertex in a graph. The graph traversal is also used to decide the order of vertices is visited in the search process. Two techniques used for traversing and searching a node in a graph. Number 1, depth first search. Number 2, breadth first search. Depth first search algorithm is a recursive algorithm that uses the idea of backtracking. The word backtrack means that when we are moving forward and there are no more nodes along the current path, we move backwards on the same path to find another nodes to traverse. Depth first search traverses a graph in a depth-wise manner. The DFS can be implemented using stack. Stack means last in, first out. There are 3 rules for implementing depth first search. Rule 1, visit the adjacent unvisited vertex. Adjacent means that is a neighbor vertex that should not be unvisited, that should not be visited. Mark it as visited, display it and put it onto the stack. Rule 2, if no adjacent vertex is found, pop up a vertex from a stack. In vertex, it removes the recently visited node. Rule 3, repeat rule 1 and rule 2 until the stack is empty. Depth first search traverses a graph in depth-wise manner. Initialize the empty stack. Depth first search start the traverse from root node. Here root node is S. So mark S as visited and put it onto the stack. Search any unvisited adjacent node from S. We have 3 nodes and we can pick any one of them. Here from S, A, B, C are adjacent unvisited nodes. We shall take the node in an alphabetical order. So mark A as visited and put it onto the stack. Explore any unvisited adjacent node from A. From A, both S and D are adjacent, but S is already visited, so unvisited node is only D. So put D into the stack and search the adjacent unvisited vertex from D. Here we have B and C which are adjacent to D. Both are unvisited. We shall choose in alphabetical order. We choose B. We put B into the stack. Here B does not have any adjacent node, so we pop up B from the stack. So we pop up B from the stack. So the nodes are S, A and D. We check the stack top for return to the previous node and check it has any unvisited node. We use D to be onto the stack. Only unvisited adjacent node is D from C. So we visit C, mark it as visited and put it onto the stack. C does not have any unvisited adjacent node. So we pop the stack until we find a node that has an unvisited adjacent node. There is none and we keep popping until the stack is empty. If the DFS is initiated from vertex S, then the vertices of a graph is visited in the order S, A, D, B and C. Next, breadth first search. Breadth first search can be implemented using Q, starting at vertex B and making it as visited. BFS differ from DFS in that all unvisited adjacent vertices to B are visited next. BFS begin at S and then A and B, next C and finally D. Each vertex gets into a queue exactly once. Here there are 3 rules. Rule 1, visit the adjacent unvisited vertex, mark it as visited, display it, insert it in a queue. Rule 2, if no adjacent vertex is found, remove the first vertex from the queue. But in DFS, it removes the recently visited queue, but in BFS, it removes the first visited vertex. Rule 3, repeat rule 1, rule 2 and rule 2 until the queue is empty. So in DFS, it traverses a graph in depth-wise manner. In BFS, it traverses a graph in breadth-wise manner. So initialize the empty queue. We start our traverse So we start our traverse from the root node, which is S. So put it onto the queue. Enqueue it. Enqueue means the process of inserting a data in a queue is called the enqueue. We then see unvisited vertex from S. We have 3 nodes, but alphabetically we choose A and mark it as and enqueue it. In queue, queue means first in first out. Next, the unvisited adjacent vertex from S is B, mark it as visited and enqueue it. In DFS, the search is depth-wise, but here it is breadth-wise. In DFS, search from current node, but in BFS, search from the root node. So next, the unvisited adjacent node is from S is C. So C. So mark it as visited and enqueue it. Now S is the left with no unvisited adjacent vertex. So DQ S and find any unvisited adjacent node from A. From A we have D is unvisited adjacent vertex. We mark it as visited and enqueue it. If the BFS is initialized from a vertex S, then the vertices of a graph are visited in the order S, A, B, C, D. Thank you.